Hey, this is take two because I screwed take one. So today we'll be covering chat, uh, the difference chat, work, and codex. For anyone who does not know, ChatGPT has released a new version, a new app. So the ChatGPT that we're all familiar with is the classic version. This is the new standard version, and in it they'll have chat, work, and codex. Chat is the thing we're generally all familiar with, but work and codex are the new stuff that really um, take ChatGPT and AI to the next level. So today we'll be covering that stuff. So if you come into the new ChatGPT here, you can just go and download this. You have chat and work up here. Go up here, you have codex. Um, when you are trying to figure stuff out, the best way to do it is simply just ask ChatGPT. So we're going to say, can you tell us difference between chat, work, and codex? Now, I can tell you a bit about it while this is loading. But the difference is chat is what we use for brainstorming, is what you generally talk to. Codex, work can basically do tasks and stuff. So you need to research, you need to produce something, you need to do anything like that. While codex is what you use to build stuff. So if we go up here, very simple, is chat is best for the questioning, the brainstorming, explanations. You have an idea to start a business, you go to chat. Or you need to explain something, anything like that. Work is what you use if you want it to do something, not explain something or something to talk to or bounce ideas off, actually do something. You want it to do market research. You want it, again, here, the example it gives, create, edit, stock, slides, spreadsheets, etc. Or if you want to build a workflow. So chat can use tools and apps, the plugins, which we covered in the last video, but work can actually put all these plugins into this massive workflow that, if you want to, can be scheduled. So you can schedule tasks now. So, for example, um, if you want it so that once a week it'll give you a report, that can all be done. And then Codex is what we use for building stuff, right? So example, the stuff it gives here is it's a specialist coding agent for purpose, especially engineering. Um, uh, and you can, like, for example, if you're building a software, is where you use Codex. For any of you use Claude Code, this is basically the ChatGPT version of Claude Code is Codex. Um, so this is the next level stuff. Um, it's telling me a good example. So here's a difference, a good to explain. So in chat, you would say, what would be a good architecture for my AIOS? In work, it could be plan my AIOS, research the tools, create the product, make it implementation robot, create spreadsheet features, and produce a presentation explaining it. Okay, so this is a good example. Chat, you can ask it stuff, but work, you can ask it to do stuff. You can make it do things, you can give it tasks. And then the codex would be open the iOS repo, build a YouTube analytics dashboard. So currently I'm building an AI operating system. For anyone that does not know that, it's kind of like Jarvis from Iron Man. And you can say open my iOS, go to my YouTube analytics dashboard, or connect APIs or fix errors. So this is the thing. Is chat will I know I'm repeating myself right now, but chat is your brainstorming. Work is where you can help it map out tasks, help you figure out stuff and research and create. Codex is the actual building of it. So like when it comes to AI now, there's so many things you can do. And today we won't really be covering what you can where you could like we won't be building anything today. But I'm just showing you the difference between it. So when you're using ChatGPT in your own day-to-day stuff, that you'll be using, you can know which one you're doing. So if you're just brainstorming chat, but if you're running a company, if you're running a business, If you want a tedious task that you want done automatically, then this is where you start going. You go to work, you go to Codex. Okay. Um, Straightforward enough video for today. Um, I want to do something a bit better or a bit bigger for tomorrow. Not much to cover today, but if you have any ideas or anything you want to explain to you, just leave it in the comments. That would be awesome. Thank you so much, and see ya.